Hello, and welcome to another laptop salvage video. Before we get started, make sure that the laptop charger and other cables are not plugged into the computer. Don't forget to remove any media, external media readers, or external drives. Check to see if the laptop is powered down. It is recommended to place the laptop on an electrostatic discharge mat and to use the proper tools suggested by the computer's manufacturer. The Dell Latitude 5411. In this video, we will be removing the motherboard and the keyboard. Removing the motherboard from the palm rest. Disconnect the display cable from the connector on the motherboard. Carefully pull straight up on the strap to release. To remove the touch screen and camera cable, gently pull back on the connector. Make sure you do not pull on the wires. Remove the keyboard cable by lifting the latch on the two front flip connectors, one on the motherboard and one on the touchpad assembly. Remove the two M2x3 screws that secure the motherboard to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Lift the motherboard from the system. To take out the keyboard, you will need to remove the 18 M2x2.5 screws that secure the keyboard assembly to the palm rest. Next, disconnect the flat, flexible cables that lead to the pointing stick, the keyboard, upper touchpad buttons, and the keyboard backlight. Lift the keyboard from the system. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please click the like button. Look for the playlist here on our channel that covers more components of the Latitude 5411. Be sure to subscribe, as we will be salvaging many different models of laptops.